Hello everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to roast peanuts with cornmeal. So the first thing I'm going to do is to sift the cornmeal with a fine sifter. This will help separate the fine dusty part from the coarse part of the cornmeal. Even though it is a double layered sifter, the top part has a finer mesh, so it is a fine sifter. The reason why I am doing this is to reduce the amount of dusty coating that it's gonna get on the peanut when it is fried in the cornmeal without sifting it. If you don't believe it, see, as you can see, it is very dusty. So sifting it will reduce the amount of dusty coating on the peanuts. So I'm gonna continue sifting it until I have enough to roast my peanuts in. So as you can see, it is less dusty. It is time to roast my peanuts. In a pan, add the cornmeal. Let it heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium to medium high heat. You can also hover your hand above the pan. If you feel the heat, that means it is hot. Then you can add your peanut and start frying. If you have never fried peanuts before, it is very important to know that you have to babysit it. You cannot leave it and walk away. You have to be stirring it frequently. You can take little breaks here and there, but you have to practically sit by it. If not, the peanut will develop burn spots. So if this is your first time of seeing my video on Facebook or on YouTube, or you have watched my videos before and you are not following me or subscribed, please follow my page on Facebook and also on my YouTube channel. Like and share the video, invite your friends. Thank you and God bless you. And don't forget to check out my website spicyanddeliciousgoodness.com for more amazing recipes. Let me also send a special shout out to all those that are following me on Facebook and are subscribed to my YouTube channel. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. After a while, the color of the peanut and the cornmeal will begin to change to a darker shade. Then you can start checking the peanuts to see if it is ready by peeling off the skin. If it doesn't come off easily, if there's any resistance, that means it is not ready. You will continue to fry and be checking at every interval. And if the skin comes off easily, that means it is ready. As you can see, the skin came off easily. I decided to fry it for a few more minutes because I want it to be drier. So when I'm done, I'm going to separate the cornmeal from the peanuts, then spread it out to cool down. So I fried the peanuts for about 23 minutes. You can fry it longer if you want a darker shade. Like I said at the beginning, the reason for sifting the cornmeal is to reduce the dusty coating on the peanuts. As you can see, we have a little bit of it on the peanuts. But don't worry, I'm gonna peel it up, so it's not really a problem, but it would have been worse if I didn't sift it. So I'm gonna let the peanuts and the cornmeal to cool down. Once the cornmeal cools down, I'm gonna sift it to remove the skin of the peanuts, then store it in an airtight container to make my quick dankwah later. I'm also gonna peel off the skin of the peanuts, then store it in an airtight container and enjoy it whenever I'm ready. So the next time you want to roast your peanuts, why don't you give this method a try? I promise you, you're gonna love it. It smells so good. It is crunchy and delicious. So thank you so much for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.